Okay, good morning once again, students. Welcome to my class. So today I am going to teach a poem, and this is only for class 4. And this poem is from page number 52. A card for me, mom. So before we begin with this poem, let's talk about the poetess. The name of the poetess is Bathsheba Fraser. Okay, Bathsheba Fraser is a poet, writer, translator, and editor. Okay, so this poetess, she is a writer. She writes stories and she writes poem, as well as she is a translator. Translator means who translates different kinds of languages, and she is also an editor. Her published work include Ragas and Reels and Scots Beneath the Banyan Tree, Stories from Bengal. She is also a children's writer and has written 2 fantasy stories in prose. Okay, so this poetess is not only a poem writer, but she has also written a story for children in English literature. So this is a short description about the poetess. Now let's start with the poem. Okay, so this poem, A Card for Me, Mom. So this poem is specially for a mother, okay, where a son is trying to buy a Mother's Day card. So this poem has been written on the occasion of Mother's Day. So here we go. It's a Mother's Day tomorrow, and the shops are full of wonderful things. Candles, picture frames, potpourri in glass dishes, but I only have money for a card, and there are dozens. So in this poem, in the first stanza, we can find a boy who is trying to buy a card for his mother on the occasion of Mother's Day. So to buy a card, he goes to a shop, and when he enters inside the shop, he sees different kinds of wonderful things. And in the shop, he saw candles, picture frames, and scents, as well as different kinds of things, but he didn't have enough money to buy all those things, but he only had the dozen of coins to buy a card for his mother. Okay, now second stanza. Cards with daisies and roses, cards with mom in dresses, with gold and red hair and blue eyes. So in the shop there were many things as well as many cards, and the cards were also of different types. Like there were cards in which it was printed with daisies and roses. In the second card, it was printed with mom, who was wearing a beautiful dress, and even the mom, she had red hair and blue eyes. And when the son was looking at all these cards, he was just thinking about his mom, and none of the cards were matching his mom. So when the son goes to a shop to buy a card for his mom, he is trying to find such a card which matches his mom. Okay, now in the third stanza, the boy is describing about his was. Okay, so what does this remember? That whenever his mother is doing some kind of work, that time the bangles make a noise. Okay, so over here the boy is thinking that when the mother is washing the curry pot, washing of curry pot reminds him of the bangle sound, as well as mixes the dough for rotis and naans. So when she is mixing the dough for roti and naans, that time also the bangle makes the same kind of sound. So in this shop, when he goes to buy the card, he is thinking of his mother that what kind of card should he give to her. In her silk kameez and chiffon chunnis. Okay, so now he is thinking of his mother what she wears. And what does she wear? She wears silk kameez and chiffon chunnis with long black hair and flashing dark eyes. And what is the look of his mother? She has got long hair as well as her eyes always shine, which looks more like me mom. Okay, so when he is finding a card for his mother, he doesn't find a card which matches her. But when he thinks about her, that time his thinking and his mother matches, and he feels very happy at that time. Okay, so from this poem, what we understand? We understand that there is a little boy who is trying to buy a special gift for his mother on Mother's Day. So, as we also have our own mother, and all of our mothers are different from one another. And as Mother's Day is a special occasion, we should always try to make our mothers feel special, because all the mothers in this world, they are very special. Okay, so I hope that the poem that I have taught you, you have understood. Please go through this poem once, and the question answers for this poem I will give you in your online class. Thank you.